show.
I'm meteorologist Mike Seidel here in the Motor City as the snow winds down after a very snowy day across a narrow strip of the Midwest from Iowa into Illinois and southern Michigan, Chicagoland, some spots getting a foot of snow. Here in Detroit, we've had over 8, a record-setting day. And with temperatures in the 20s, I mean, it's all powder. 25 is as high as we got on the hour. And look at it. I mean, it's just powder. It's just like powdered sugar. But notice there's not a whole lot of wind. That's the saving grace here, despite all the snow. It just comes straight down. How many times have you seen me just throw the snow up and it just whizzes on by? Well, that's good. Winds are 5-6 miles an hour, and that's not going to be an issue through the weekend. What is going to be an issue is we're going to have some more snow. A little bit more tomorrow, less than an inch, and then early Sunday morning through Sunday afternoon, a little stronger disturbance could crank out 1-2 more inches of snowfall, and then that's going to be it for a while. And we're going to get the sun out on Monday, and by Wednesday we're going to get things above freezing. And then, guys, 6 weeks from now we'll be in the spring. But it seems like a long way away for folks here in Detroit and for those of us who have been out all week covering this. It won't stop. It just goes on and on and on.
That's true. Mike, I got to ask you, what is the snow angel making ability of this snow like? You've got a big batch of clear snow behind you.
We're waiting.
Oh, is this the prompt for me to go down and do a snow angel?
Yes.
Well, he got the hint.
He got the hint.
We'd like you to prove it.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. I'm getting a rap from the producer.
No,
so
you're
we'll
not.
have to wait till the next storm.
The producers were actually the ones who wanted to see it.
Okay. But I can't fall back because it's only
anything so beautiful. It's majestic.
You have to get up and do the. Now you have to get up and like do your victory.
No, he's done it.
No, he fell asleep. Just like that.
I don't necessarily blame him.
The snow in Detroit gave him narcolepsy.
Wow.
Out he went.
That angel's got one crooked halo.
Well done, Seidel. Well done. Well done.
The crew loves it. Who needs the Olympics? We got Seidel making snow angels.
You can go get a hot meal now after all the